You know the saying, when it rains, it pours, but that can really mean some big problems when the rain has nowhere to go, and water always finds a way. So let's talk about this right now. If the water is affecting your roof or the gutters or nothing's working for you right now, help is on the way. And when I say help, Ryan Thompson is here, senior salesman with the Gutter Boys. Ryan, before we get into this, I want to find out about the name, okay? Welcome to Good Company.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Joe.
Gutter Boys. I love the name, but you guys aren't boys. I'm calling it as I see it.
Yeah. Right? Well, some of us are immature.
May act like boys, no, but no, really. The company's been around a long time. How did it start?
Well, it started two friends of mine, Anthony and Kenny, just raising money, going door to door, cleaning gutters.
And they were boys at the time?
They were boys.
Yeah.
They were boys at the time.
I understand they were actually like painting, they were doing everything to supplement income, painting addresses on the sides of curbs.
I don't know if they want to advertise that, but it was Uncle Kirby's and the Gutter Boys.
That's pretty cool.
And they got old enough that they said they had some shame even painting curb numbers, and they said we got our game.
So they went from the curb. They went from the curb to the gutter.
Curb to the gutter.
Okay, very good. But boy, I'll tell you, this is over 20 years ago.
Yeah.
And the company has sustained itself with good reason because it's a great product with a great message. And tell me about that.
So a lot of good friends, family, people coming together. Obviously, everybody that has gutters is going to have a problem related to their gutter.
Right.
There's debris everywhere.
It's only going to happen. It's only a matter of time.
Degrade. And so it's a huge market. And we've had a lot of debris actually falling this spring. We kind of had a bumper crop of debris on the trees, a lot of the helicopters falling off of the maple trees.
And because we've had no rain for like, what, 3 weeks almost? Yeah, right?
Yes.
Then all the rain came. All that stuff is getting clogged up in our gutters.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And a lot of people right now are kind of unaware of that.
Right.
And
the damage hasn't been done yet.
It hasn't been done yet. And that's one problem with gutter cleaning alone, is that most people don't really understand that their gutters are clogged until they're having an active problem.
And that's one of your services, gutter cleaning.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
and
you
it's
do a
valuable.
number of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. You do gutter cleaning.
Absolutely.
And?
Repairs.
Repairs.
We'll do even partial replacements if you have a problem in one small area.
Okay.
We'll do full gutter replacement. And then full gutter replacement, also gutter guards.
All right, let's talk about the gutter guards, because you're different from a lot of other folks out there.
We are. I think starting even to backtrack with the company, a lot of companies target only gutter guards. They can be a high ticket item, they can be very expensive, it can be high pressure, and they don't want to fuss with gutter cleaning or repairs or replacement at all.
Right.
So I love that about our company, that no matter what you have, we could have the solution for you.
Gotcha.
You might be in a home for 1 year and we'll clean the gutters.
Yeah.
But gutter guards, like I said before, are a proactive way to get your gutters keep your gutters clean before you realize that you have a problem.
I think that was you in the video, wasn't it?
Oh, I don't think so. Yeah.
Well, it's one of the boys. That's for
one
sure.
of the boys.
One of the gutter boys.
Yeah.
All right, so you're putting in some
a lot
gutter
of
guards.
squirrely build guys like me.
And while we're watching this, please never go on a ladder. If you're watching this, you do not need to be on a ladder looking at your gutters or anywhere near your roof.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let the professionals do it.
Let me come out.
Yeah.
Call our company. I'll come out to your house personally. I'm on roofs every day. And even speaking of ladders, a lot of our competition in sales do not even come to your house equipped with a ladder. And I think that's one thing. You'll get guys with a little selfie stick with a camera, and they're claiming to be experts on your gutters, but they're really just kind of more a salesman in disguise.
There's a lot that sets you apart from other companies.
We try.
Yeah.
We try.
Yeah.
And so I've got a ladder with me. I'm on roofs every single day for nearly a decade straight. Has been what I'm doing. And we really do want to equip you, first of all, with some accurate information about your roof. We want to start with a good diagnosis.
Right.
We want to give you honest information.
And you're not trying to sell something that someone doesn't need.
Exactly.
Because you only sell one thing. You sell a number of things.
Exactly.
Different procedures.
Exactly.
And you've got a lot of services available.
Yeah. So no matter what you need, we can cater to that is helpful. We're not trying to cram people in a one-size-fits-all box.
Right.
And that goes a long way. That's how I like to be dealt with. I took my car to the mechanic. $900 later, they didn't know what was wrong with it, gave it back. I want accuracy. I want honesty. I want the right fix.
Well, maybe you want the gutter boys.
And maybe you want the gutter boys.
There you go, right there. All right, so for more information, give them a call at 440-454-7040, thegutterboys.com. Ryan, thank you so much for what you do. You got to get back on the roof.
I do. I got to go.
All right, we'll be right back. You go on the roof, we'll stay here. All right.
This segment of Good Company was sponsored by the Gutter Boys.